Top of the morning, we've arrived in Ireland and we're just about to get the bus to our hotel, drop our bags off and then go exploring. It's our first time in Ireland, so we're really looking forward to being here.
Let's go get the bus. We're not in Jurassic Park, we're in Dublin. We just dropped our bags off at our hotel. We're staying at Hotel St George and the check-in's not till 2 o'clock, so we've just come out to have a wee look around.
This is my friend Stephen. Oh, he's a bit shy. Stephen Seagull. So we're here now at our hotel. This is the Hotel St George. It's just up on O'Connell Street, and I'll give you a little tour. So this is the bed with some towels. It's quite a tiny room and a nice pink chair. Get a nice shower and a toilet and a sink. And it's right in the centre of town.
Yeah, it's nice.
So we've got it on booking.com, and yeah, this will do nice. It's nice and warm. It'll be our home for 2 days.
Yay. So we're ready to go out for some dinner and drinks. We'll just take a walk and see what's around. I'm sure I've tried Guinness before, but I do want to get even half a pint of Guinness just to try it while we're in Ireland. And maybe some baby Guinness shots as well.
Yeah.
Right, let's go see what's out there.
Okay, let's go. Hello. So we've just come to the Oak restaurant or pub and we're having a steak and Guinness pie. Nice storm around. Good morning from Dublin. So we just got onto our hop on hop off bus, which is going to take us all around town. We bought this airport pass for our transfer from the airport into Dublin, but it also includes a hop on hop off bus which stops off at about 32 different locations around the town or around the city, and so we're going to get off at a few places and have a look around. There's museums and parks and galleries and things, so it's going to be an exciting day. We'll see how much we can fit in one day. So sit back, relax, get a cup of coffee, get some popcorn and enjoy the view. The bus is really cool because it's multilingual, which means it has different languages for different people. So if you don't understand English, you can maybe get it in French or Spanish or German. Other languages are available. What's your favourite language, Michelle?
He held the balance of power at Westminster.
And that's it, yeah. Silence, the language of silence. She loves it. If you get bored, you can have a pint of Guinness. This is our hotel, we can see it from the bus. Hi! So we're here at Mariner Square Park. It was number 11 stop on our hop on hop off bus, which I hopped off on. And this is there's a statue here of Oscar Wilde, the famous Irish writer. So we're just gonna take a walk around, have a look at the statue. This is a zombie. The next stop on our tour is the National Gallery of Ireland, which is free entry. So much room for activities in this lift. What? Mental. So the National Gallery is really nice if you like looking at the pictures and some sculptures. It's nice and warm in here, it's free entry, and I'd recommend it if you've got some time to spare in Dublin. Now onwards to the next place. Let's go through the revolving door, and then we're out the other side, and off we go. Michelle, did you get stuck in the door? Michelle got stuck in the revolving door. The Natural History Museum. Hello! We're now at the Natural History Museum, which is one of the National Museums of Ireland. We're going to go and explore inside. That's us just come out of the Natural History Museum. It's quite interesting. There's some old stuff in there to look at. If you're into that, recommend it if you're into that. Now we're going to hop back on our bus and stop off at our next destination. We'll see you there. We need to hop off. So we're now got off the bus and we are now entered St Stephen's. We're just going to take a look around. It's got an artificial lake in the middle and it's a nice local park to walk around, and it's quite close to all the shops and restaurants and cafes, so we can get some lunch here as well. There's pigeons and you can feed the pigeons. Michelle is the pigeon whisperer. Hey,
hello,
you want a selfie?
Stay calm. They're wild animals in this film.
What happened there, Michelle?
Well, we were just taking a picture of all the pigeons, and then one or two landed on us for no reason, but just to say hi. And then the guy who has all the food for them came over and asked me to put it in my hand, like you saw, and then I was just attacked. So it was an experience.
So we've been walking around this park for a little while, and I think it's lunchtime. We're going to hit the world famous Grafton Street and get some nice lunch. We've now had a nice lunch and we've come to the Museum of Archaeology and History. This is stop 13 on the bus. This is another free museum, which is good because we're here on a budget and we're trying to spend as little as possible. Nice selection of jugs. Behind me is Dublin Castle. I don't really know any facts about it. This is Michelle. Do you know any facts about Dublin Castle?
I don't, but that's what we're here for.
We're going to go and learn. Every day's a learning experience. This is the main courtyard of the castle, and it's epic. You've got a big clock tower there, and over here is the entrance into the castle. Okay, so fun fact, it's €4.50 to get a guided tour of the castle. So that's the fact we have. So we don't have any more facts because we didn't go inside. Well, we just got off the bus at stop number 23 and we're now at the Irish Museum of Modern Art. We're now out of the Modern Art Gallery. It's full of modern art, which was quite abstract, and it's all a little bit weird really. Now we're outside again and we're going to take a walk around the gardens out here, and then we'll get on the bus again to the next stop. Next up on the tour is Phoenix Park. This is actually the second biggest park in Europe, and it's huge. How are you enjoying the park?
It's really cold, but it looks nice.
And this is the park. Hi, we're back in our room and we just found these amazing boomerang donuts after our busy day hopping and hopping off it buses. So just having a little snack, and then we'll be heading into town for some proper dinner because this is just a snack, although it looks pretty chunky monkey donut. Tomorrow we'll just chill, go catch some Pokemon in the Botanic Gardens. Michelle might do some shopping, and then we fly home, so it's just a short break. So we'll see you later. Well, here we are, we've got a fantastic pizza. We're going to enjoy this now, and then we're going to go for a few drinks around Dublin and try and get smashed. Is that what they say here?
Correct. Cheers!
We're now here at the Brazen Head just behind us, which is believed to be the oldest pub in Ireland, and we're going to have a lovely drink in there. Come with us. Good morning, we're here at the Botanic Gardens in Dublin on a very rainy day. So we're going to try and stay under cover as much as possible. But we've got our trusty brollies that we got from Penny's. So let's go take a look inside. find a house like this. Delightful.
These flowers here are one of my favourite. I don't know what their proper name is, but they're also known as birds of paradise. There's a tyre floating in the water.
We're back at the airport in Dublin and it's time to go home. It's been a lovely little stay, just a short one, but it's time to go home. We had lots of fun. We tried Guinness for the first time and we had a steak and Guinness pie.
Yep.
And we saw lots of sights and we pretty much saw everything that Dublin had to offer. So just a short flight home and then back to work in the next couple of days.
Back to work tomorrow.
But it won't be long until we're off on our next adventure, so look out for that and we'll see you soon. Bye!
Bye!